Cheers! You're wondering, what is this for, right? So first, it's just cool. It's a conversation starter. Let's use it, right? And I put it right here so you see it. And there you go. The bottle is balanced. This bottle is not full. That's why it took some time to balance, right? But this also has another purpose to it. It's that if you open the bottle and recork it, like this one, because this bottle is not full, right? Then you can put it sideways. I mean, wine doesn't last a lot around here anyways. But if you did have to, recork it and put it sideways, then what this does is it keeps the cork moist here in this area, right? Real nice. And it doesn't dry up and let air come in and oxidize the wine. So that is really why I think it's important for me to have one of these, in case that I have like a glass of wine by myself, like, which I really usually don't do. Like, I like having wine with my friends so that we can talk about stuff and have fun. It's like, for me, a bottle of wine is a celebration. But if I did open a bottle of wine by myself to wind down or for any reason, then this is when this comes in, right? So then, but also you have this on your desk, right? And or somewhere nice, and people are gonna look at it and think it's really cool. It's just cool. it's just a cool thing to have. So I mean, this is a great gift for friends that are wine drinkers, but also it's just a nice conversation starter. I think this is a gift that is good for everyone. It comes in different colors, in different woods, and it's just it's just cool. So cheers.